Welcome to the GEP Roundup, a monthly lowdown from the latest and greatest from GEP and the world of supply chain. Every month, we bring you highlights of the top stories, insights, and events from the supply chain space, so you can stay up to date on everything you need to know. From the latest innovations and technologies to the biggest challenges and opportunities facing the industry, we've got it covered.
Hello and welcome to the GEP Roundup, your monthly lowdown on the latest trends, insights, and must-know developments from GEP and the world of supply chain. I'm Alex, and as always, we kick things off with the latest from the GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index. Rising demand is driving a new wave of momentum in U.S. manufacturing. According to the latest GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index, global supply chains operated at full capacity in January as demand and manufacturing activity surged, with the exception of Europe. With production ramping up, procurement activity is seeing a noticeable increase, especially in North America and Asia. John Piatek, Vice President of Consulting at GEP, notes that this steady growth in procurement suggests a strong Q1 for 2025. If this trend continues, businesses should prepare for increased supplier demand, potential lead time shifts, and new sourcing opportunities. Now let's talk about an issue that's causing a major shakeup in supply chains: proposed new U.S. tariffs on electrical components. Utilities and manufacturers are already feeling the pressure as lead times for transformers, switchgear, and cables stretch from 1 year to 4 at the same time. Costs continue to rise. So, how can procurement and supply chain leaders mitigate risks and manage costs? A new GEP white paper outlines proactive strategies for navigating these policy shifts and working closely with suppliers and regulators. If your business is in the electrical industry, you'll want to check it out. How much visibility do you really have beyond your Tier 1 suppliers? If your procurement team struggles to track the origins of critical components down to the manufacturer level, you're not alone. In a new webcast, GEP's Darren Lynch and procurement leaders Harry John explore cutting-edge approaches to sub-tier visibility, helping businesses better assess supplier risks and uncover new sourcing opportunities. If you want to improve supply chain resilience, this is a must-watch. Disconnected workflows and outdated legacy systems have long slowed procurement down, but a major shift is underway. Total procurement orchestration is the next evolution of source-to-pay. Orchestration unifies every step of the procurement process, from sourcing to payment, for better efficiency and business impact. But how does this work in the real world? A new podcast explores AI-powered procurement orchestration in action. Be sure to tune in. Tariff hikes and increasing input costs are forcing businesses to rethink their sourcing and pricing strategies. What are the most effective ways to respond? A new GEP blog outlines 5 key strategies for securing supply chains and reducing the impact of rising tariffs. If you're concerned about cost pressures in global trade, this blog is for you. Here's a question. How well is your company managing tail spend? This area, comprised of numerous high-volume, low-value transactions, often flies under the radar, leading to missed cost-saving opportunities. AI-powered tools can centralize spending, direct users to preferred suppliers, and cut unnecessary expenses. A new GEP blog breaks down how AI is changing the way businesses approach tail spend, and it's worth a read. That's it for this month's GEP Roundup. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And for more cutting-edge insights, make sure to follow our YouTube channel and check out the resources linked below. Until next time. As I sign off this video, I'd like to hear your feedback. At GEP, we are at the forefront of adoption of the latest technologies. In our software and in our strategy and managed services businesses, we use the latest AI tools and platforms to add value for our customers and to drive efficiency, not least in how we produce the GEP Roundup. So, the Alex you see in this month's GEP Roundup is my AI avatar, so I'd love to hear what you think. Did you notice? Was my avatar distracting? Or was this GEP Roundup as good as always? Drop me a line and let me know.